Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. Journal chapter. 4 most important chapters. Once again I want to remind you, journal is the basics books of your accounts. First books. If you do not understand journal, if you do mistakes in the journal, then what you are going to write in the journal, that will be carried forward to the next book, which is called ledger. And there also it will go wrong. And next third book, fourth book, fifth book, everywhere the wrong will carry forward. And at last your accounts will not tally. So journal entries, you pay attention very carefully. Which is debit, which is credit, how much is debit, how much is credit. That is the main things from the journal. Previous few illustrations from your textbook. The previous video I explained. Now in this video I will not explain from your illustration, because in your illustration answer is given, from there you can understand. Let me explain the few from exercise. I want to tell you, whatever the illustration or how many are illustration or how many are exercise questions it is given in your textbook, it will not be possible for me to explain one by one all. But among that maximum, which one you will feel difficult, that I will explain. You try to understand, and remaining you make practice. At last you will do the fair book. There also, if you feel difficult, that you can tell me. The previous chapter, chapter 3, now 4th is going on. Chapter 3 you might have seen, that was GST, but GST theoretical part was there. Now practical question from GST also is given. 1 or 2 illustration as well as the 1 or 2 exercises, both I will complete. At last it is given in your chapter. How we will calculating the GST, that also I will show it here. Now in this video, the question number 6 of page number 102. I wrote it here, chapter 4, page 102, the exercise question number 6 as well as the 9. I will explain 6, I will write on the board the answer, 9 I will explain orally from your textbook, that you will try to understand. So transactions for the capitals and drawings, where maximum mistakes chances are there, capitals and drawing, from there I want to make practice. Write journal entries for the following transactions in the books of Shubham. So write in the books of Shubham. And journal entries, the date is given 14 January 2014 Jan, and it is given 1. Okay? How to write the journal, every one of you know. Only thing is there, you have to read the question and you have to find out the accounts, and out of that correct account, and out of that which one is debit and which one is credit. Introduce goods of rupees 10,000, cash of rupees 15,000, furniture of rupees 5,000, debtors of rupees 10,000, and commence business. Who? Shubham. क्या क्या दिया? Goods, cash, furniture, debtors, all are assets. So you write it here. The goods account cash, first is cash you write. The goods is given. Okay, no problem. Stock of goods, stock of goods account, debit, cash account, debit, then furniture account, debit, then debtors account, debit to Shubham's capital account. The amount is 10, 15, 5, 10. 10, 15, 5 and 10. You add it, this is 20, 30, 40. So 40,000 will be credit here. And then you write B. Shubham started business by giving goods, cash, furniture and debtors. etc. Bracket close, number line. But only this much. I will tell you how the teachers are checking the answer where you are doing the mistakes. This journal you will get 1 mark. If the amount, account, narration, these three are common, at least this main thing, three things should be correct. Of course, date also, these are the things also will change. But correct account and correct amount. If you write wrong amount or if you write wrong account, then you will not get half marks also. If all are correct, you will get 1 mark. Number 12, personal motor car sold for which 80,000 and invested or introduced 50,000 in the business. Already I told personal motor car 80,000 cost and so 80,000 sold, but business got 50,000. The amount will come 50,000. The date is 12. So again it is coming cash account debit to Shubham's capital. This is Shubham's capital. I wrote S. S means Shubham's capital. How much? You got, I think 50,000 out of 80,000. Narrations being cash introduced in the business. Bracket close. That's all. 13. 1,000 withdrawn from bank for personal use. If it is a personal use, drawings account debit. Keep in mind. And it is taken from the bank, the bank account credit. If it is taken from the business, then cash account credit. If cash का जगह goods लिया, तो purchase account credit. तो drawings account debit to bank. तो journal is drawings account debit to bank account. How much? 1,000 rupees. Being cash withdrawn from bank for PU, not personal use. I know that PU, you will write the date is 13. You will write full form personal use. Drawings account debit to bank, being cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Next is coming 15 is the income tax refund. Next we are getting 15 of Jan. What is given? The income tax refund. Income tax refund means the tax which you paid for your personal income tax means personal expense. That if you are getting rules is there, you have to pay tax advance After that, government will calculate, and if you are paying more, government will give back. If you are paying less, government will take once again from you. That is the rules for the income tax. So income tax you paid more, for that government has given back 500 rupees to the owner of the sole proprietor deposited with the bank account of the business. Income tax refund, whatever is coming, it should not come back to the business. It is his personal income which he should take at his home, but by mistake it has gone to the bank account, मतलब business bank account. मतलब पैसा जो वापस आया वो बिजनेस का पैसा नहीं था, उसको खुद का पैसा था, लेकिन वो गलती से ये बिजनेस में आ गया. So income tax refund which you are going to get back, that is deposited into the business bank account. That means indirectly we can tell that the owner has given 500 rupees to the bank, to the business. Income tax refund will not write. Owner has given 500 rupees to the business. This is the meaning of that. I will think only this much, how much the relations between the owner and the business. So owner, who is the owner? Shubham has given 500 rupees to the bank. So this is again business is getting cash, but here bank account debit. As Shubham is given, so SHUBHAM. Shubham's account. How much? 5. This is a very interesting journey. Neither know where income tax account will come. Shubham, the meaning is Shubham has given 500 rupees to the business bank account. So business got, this is bank, Shubham's given to bank account as capital. Bank account given to Shubham's capital account. This is not Shubham's account, Shubham's capital account. Because Shubham has given cash to the bank. From business, goods of rupees 100 and cash of rupees 400 are withdrawn for personal use. Cash 400 and goods 1000. So drawings account debit, the date is 20. Drawings account debit. How much? To cash or to purchase? 1400. And out of that, cash is how much? Goods 1000, cash 400. Cash is 400 and goods 100. Cash and goods are taken by Shubham for PU. PU means personal use. I will not write the full form. You understand and you write according to that. Here I wrote, cash and goods are taken by Shubham. This case is Shubham. You write full. For PU, मतलब personal use. Next, 21. Traveling expense of the daughter 1500 paid from business. This is 21. Yes. Again, drawings account debit. Drawings account debit to cash account. Don't write traveling expense account, because traveling expense is not the expense for the business. For daughter, traveling expense is paid from the business. I write he has taken the money from the business if he has taken the money for his own purpose. That is 1500. So 1500. This is also cash taken by Shubham for personal use. Close it. I wrote PU, you write full form, the personal use. Now it is 28. Furniture to 2000 purchased from Ganga Furniture Smart for house. Furniture rupees 2000 purchased from Ganga Furniture Smart for house. If furniture is purchased not for the business purpose, then furniture account will not be debit. Furniture is purchased but for household. So furniture is purchased for household. I will not write furniture account debit. I will write drawings account debit. Once again, it is coming the 28 drawings account debit. Drawings account debit to cash. Don't write furniture because this furniture is purchased for rupees 2000 for personal use. You write here furniture purchase being. Show me the places I have forgotten to write being. Write being here. Being here. Being here. Being furniture purchase for personal use. Understand? And the last one, life insurance premium 500 paid by check. Almost all our drawings account is coming. Here also is coming drawings account debit, life insurance premium. The date is 31st. Again, drawings account debit, life insurance premium and money should not be paid from the business. If it is paid, then it is paid from the business for personal expense. Personal expense means personal use. 500 by check. Drawings account debit to bank. Check होगा तो bank account. How much? 500. B LIC premium is paid from business bank account. Actually, I have not got all these transactions here. At last, I told you have to write the total. But total I do not know. You add all this debit amount as well as the credit amount, put a one single straight line. Then here you write the total amount you write. I do not know, you calculate it, and at last you close it. This is a complete sum. If you are not doing this all things, whatever I have given from top to bottom, then everywhere marks will be deducted wherever you will not write the things whatever it is given. Next I am coming to the page number 103, the question number 9. There 6 I wrote it here, now 9 you follow. 9 I will not write, I will explain it, that you try to understand the questions as well as the answer. Transactions of the goods 7 and 8 you will try. 6 I have done. 7, 8 you try at your home. Then 9 I am doing explaining. 9 also you write all in the felt. Write journal entries for the following transactions in the books of Ramesh. So here we will write the chapter 4, page number 103, 2 and 3 is there. The question number 9 in the books of Ramesh, then journal entries. The April 2014. First, cash purchase 15,000 and cash sales 14,000. एक ही डेट पे दोनों ट्रांजेक्शंस. Cash purchase means you did not buy cash. Don't think that cash purchase means you have purchased cash. Cash purchase means you have purchased goods for cash. Cash sales means you have sold goods for cash. Both are cash transactions. Either you can write combined journal or you can write separate journal also. Both I want to show you here, combined journal and separate journal, but better to write here separate journal. One is purchase account debit to cash. One is purchase account debit to cash. It's coming 15,000. Here I am writing. Okay, for making you understand. And second one is coming cash account debit to sales. Is not it? That coming 14,000. Here don't make combined. Let us write separate. Cash account, purchase account debit to cash and cash account debit to sales. Number 5. A personal goods of rupees 10,000 brought into the business. मतलब goods of rupees 10,000 is given to the business. So stock of goods account debit to capital. किसका capital? Ramesh capital. Stock of goods account debit to Ramesh capital. Number 7. Goods of rupees 12,000 purchased from Harsh. Goods of rupees 12,000 purchased from Harsh. That is purchase account debit to Harsh. Credit transactions. It is not a cash transactions. It is a credit transactions. So credit transaction journal is purchase account debit to Harsh. Number 10. Out of the goods purchased due to defective goods, half defective goods, half goods returned to Harsh. मतलब you have purchased the goods of rupees 12,000 from Harsh. Is that it? How much goods you have purchased? 12,000. Correct? Harsh का पास आपने goods purchase किया 12,000. उसका अंदर वो कम purchase किया 7 में. 10 में बोला तब उसका आधा goods उसको वापस कर दिया. This is called purchase return. How much goods purchase return? Or purchase return is credit. So 10th channel will come the Harsh account debit to purchase return because sales return is debit, purchase return is credit. So Harsh account debit to purchase return. How much? 6,000. Now number 12. Goods of rupees 10,000 purchased from Ramila and half amount paid by check. Goods of rupees 10,000 purchased from Ramila. How much goods you have purchased? 10,000. And out of that, how much you paid? You paid half. So 10,000 का half 5,000. बाकी 5,000 that is credit transactions. That is not given. The remaining half what you have done, whether you paid or not paid. If nothing is mentioned, it is understood that not paid. You should assume that it is not paid. So purchase account debit of rupees 10,000 to Ramila 5,000 and it is paid by check मतलब to bank. So purchase account debit 10,000 to bank 5,000 to Ramila 5,000. Purchase account debit to bank to Ramila. Purchase account debit 10,000 to bank 5,000 to Ramila 5,000. The next is coming discount. Goods are purchased from Ramila. Which one? Yes. Goods purchased from Ramila sold to Mita after adding 30% profit at 10% trade discount. Okay. Now you tell me how much goods you purchased from Ramila. The goods you purchased from Ramila 10,000. Is it correct? The 12 transactions you have purchased from Ramila. Ramila के पास आपने purchase किया 10,000 goods. Correct? And उसको आपने आधा पैसा दिया, लेकिन goods purchase तो क्या 10,000. जो गुड्स आपने रमीला के पास परचेस किया वो आपने मीता को बेचा आफ्टर एडिंग 30% प्रॉफिट. तो यू ऐड प्रॉफिट 30%. 30% मतलब 3,000. 10,000 का 30% 3,000. तो उसको 10,000 का गुड्स 13,000 में बेचा प्रॉफिट ऐड करके. दिस इज परचेस प्राइस, दिस इज प्रॉफिट एंड दिस इज एसपी मतलब सेलिंग प्राइस. But there is a discount you have given, that 10%. You told that I will not take 10% money. This is any transactions. Good. Try to understand. Very interesting. These are the things, one or two you will get difficult where you have to understand. Goods purchased from Ramila sold to Mita after adding 30% profit at 10% PD. इसका 10% PD मतलब trade discount to Mita, which is 1000. इसका 10%. That comes how much? 700. This is 2 मतलब this is 11. 11,700 में आपने बेचा. This is actually discount. तो आपका actual amount will come this is. That you have to understand. You have purchased goods from Ramila 10,000. That goods you sold to Mita after adding 30% profit, which is 13,000. Then you deduct a 10% trade discount. Trade discount minus here. This is trade discount minus, and the cost of goods at last is coming 11,700. So your journal is Mita account debit to sales. How much? 11,700. Most interesting things. Now 18. Mita returned goods of rupees 1,000. Now Mita has given back. तो आपने Mita को सेल्स किया, तो सेल्स रिटर्न डेबिट, तो सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू Mita. How much? 1,000. Now 20. अच्छा यह भी है. Goods of rupees 20,000 sold to Kalpana at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Now trade discount and cash discount I have to explain. This I did not explain the trade discount and cash discount. So from 20th onwards, whatever the transaction is given, that I will explain first trade discount and cash discount. After that I will tell you. Otherwise you will not understand. तो discount वाला जो sum आएगा, that you leave it now. Next discount वाला sum I will explain. 20. Goods of rupees 20,000 destroyed by fire and the insurance company admitted a claim of rupees 10,000. That is new. कितना goods destroyed हुआ? 2,000. Do you understand what I said? I said that trade discount and cash discount, like that sum it is coming. Next video I will explain, because I have to explain the trade discount and cash discount first. Then only you will be able to understand. For that I am not telling now. Apart from that, another type of sums, whatever you are getting, that 22. Goods destroyed by 2,000 destroyed by fire and insurance company admitted a claim of rupees 1,000. 2,000 का goods destroyed हो गया, it was insured, goods were insured, but insurance company has said that you will pay 1,000. Actually loss is 1,000. इसको जाना रहेगा loss due to goods destroyed by fire. Fire? Yes. Debit. Or insurance claim account debit. Insurance claim account debit क्यों किया? Insurance company admitted मतलब accepted to pay. Till you did not get. For that, if you got, then cash account debit है. Insurance claim account debit and to purchase. Goods is going out. The amount will come here 1,000, here 1,000, here 2,000. So this is actual journal, very interesting. Loss due to destroyed by fire account debit, insurance claim account debit to purchase. 25. Goods of rupees 500 went in rain and rupees 200 released by selling it. मतलब दो 500 रुपये का goods रेन में लॉस हो गया, डिस्टर्ब हुआ, और that you sold at rupees 200. तो आपको कैश कितना मिला? 200. So you got cash account debit. How much? 200. तो लॉस कितना है, लॉस ड्यू टू रेन 300, 2 परचेस 500। 500 रुपये का गुड्स ड्यू टू हेवी रेन डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था, लेकिन वो गुड्स आप 200 रुपये में बेचा था, लेकिन उसको जाना लगेगा कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, लॉस ड्यू टू रेन अकाउंट डेबिट, टू परचेस, दैट इज रहेगा। नेक्स्ट इज कमिंग द गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 300 रिसीव्ड एज फ्री सैंपल। गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 200 रिसीव्ड एज फ्री सैंपल। डिड यू बाय द गुड्स? नो। And did you pay the money? No. So you received the goods, but you for that you don't need to pay for anything. Free sample goods you have got. That is non-economic transactions. Next is goods of rupees 250 was received as free sample sold for rupees 400. Free sample पे मिला था, लेकिन आपने सोल्ड किया 400 रुपये में। तो सर सोल्ड किया जो 400 रुपये, that is that you have to write it here. Cash account debit to sales account. Cash account debit to sales how much? 400. Number last, a mobile of rupees 1500 purchased against the exchange of goods of rupees 1000. Yes, this is barter system. In barter system, the money was not transferred, but it should be considered as a transactions. Mobile purchase किया और आप against में goods दिया, तो barter system में कहता है that purchase goods against the goods. So you got a mobile, your journal is coming, mobile account debit to purchase. Here purchase oblique sales, both are correct. Mobile account debit to purchase or mobile account debit to sales is correct, but amount will come not the amount of goods but the amount of assets. Keep in mind, the things which you purchase against the goods amount will not come, the amount will come for the assets. So mobile amount 1500, that will write mobile account debit to purchase or mobile account debit to sales, the amount is 1500. Hope you are understanding. I do not know how much you are understanding, but I want to tell you the one thing, that at least twice you watch this video and you try to write the answer. After watching, then you switch off the mobile and you try to write the answer in your answer sheet, notebook. Then you will be able to understand. Main thing is there, you will feel difficult why it is debit, why it is credit, and how much is debit, how much is credit. Once you are understanding, remaining things you will be able to understand. Hope you are understanding. I do not know. Even though if you do not understand in any place, you can tell me. I will clear your doubt. Okay? Bye. All the best.